Mac
you.
fam.
Where
I could quit a lot of things, but already gave too much. Didn't think I'll make it this far till I showed up. Never knew the options, but I'm choosing the best. Write songs in my sleep, man, I'm dreaming the rest. My life was never tested right. Too many mountains to climb, make me hate this life. I'm thinking what they thinking. I'm thinking if they writing what I'm writing. Man, I'm sure they can't be writing, cause I'm too nice for they liking. So never mind them, never mind friends, cause I got a new fan, bro. I don't need what they need. I don't even share the same air that they breathe. So consider this a list of what I'm sick of. I don't need a girl who is too soft. You gotta believe in something, girl, the time is almost up. But right now, I don't think I'm right here.
Love's not enough, I gotta go, my heart won't let it roll. And though you're with her in your soul, got me gang ho. Love tribulate, stories never told. You tell me wait, but what though? Cause every night's how you hold. Screw this, I'm taking different strokes. Drowning in jealousy, baby, I'm about to choke. Patience, baby, is what I quote. Rock me any harder and I swear I'll sink this fucking boat. Back and forth, bro, sugar, make it out. And after that round shit, pull me some more. I'm tired of crying, stop it, hit the road. You said you'd leave, but that was a long joke ago. Sick to my stomach, I'm feeling real hollow. My yesterdays with you will keep coming like tomorrow. I guess your heart was just a borrow, but you know what, you can have it back. I don't need it no more.
Everyday loving, Nizula ndiko phone and I ain't buzzing. Even though rich Zula Rico argue like cousin. No stickana ini even when you get chubby. Rico dana zizola. Yo lol, over or relaxa asichanwa alcohol. Until duba lenda break up on a baby doll. Cause nobody komutambasa the volleyball. Rafunda na mirayo ya rufuni Paul, ngazondi chifona stapindula my call. I understand why you mad at me. Yo, we used to be lovers, now we enemies. You tryna make it sound like you ain't cheated on me. Yo, we should have been married, ceremony. You will never move on, I'm your pillar. Even though you got a new fling, Eli.